Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to install Sea of Thieves on Xbox Game Pass. So of course, first of all, you need to have a Game Pass. So you want to go on your settings, on your profile, and here you will see PC Game Pass. You want to make sure that you have this subscription. Once you will have it, you just click on Game Pass, then you're going to click on search here and write down Sea of Thieves. And as you can see, it is included in the Game Pass. Just click on it. And after that, instead of play, you will see here install button. Once you will click install, you will be able to choose on which drive you want to install it. It will require a lot of space, so you want to make sure that you have at least 150 gigabytes. After that, you will see it here on your downloads. And once you will install it, you will see it on your library, so you can go ahead and click on it here, and you can manage. As you can see, here is the files. It will require 115 gigabytes, as you can see. So that's pretty much it, how you can install it for free with Xbox Game Pass. So if this video was helpful, guys, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time.